everyone, today I'm going to unbox this PTron Glam Plus selfie sticks. This is the packaging from Amazon and here is the product. This is our PTron Glam Plus wireless selfie stick, so this will be connected through a Bluetooth switch. The MRP of the product is 1999, but we will get it within 600 or 500. You can see it's written over here Glam Plus wireless selfie stick, so this will be connected through a Bluetooth device. Let's open this thing now. Inside the box we have a user manual and then the selfie stick. So this is our PTron selfie stick. You can see the branding is over here, PTron. And the design is very compact, guys. This is a very compact design and the product is very lightweight. It's very lightweight and very compact. Now let's open it up. It can go up to this long and we will use it as a selfie stick. And this is a selfie stick cum tripod. Let's open the mobile holder. Here on the head of the device we have the mobile holder, and inside the mobile holder we have this Bluetooth device. Just press it up for 2 seconds and it will switch on, and then it will be connected through the mobile. This is the mobile head and this is the grip. The grip is working fine, I think. And the mobile head can go up to 180 degree, guys. It's not 270 degree, it can go only up to 180 degree. So it's very lightweight. The second use will be as a tripod. So we will open the stands and we can use it as a tripod. This is how we can open the stands and we will use it as a tripod. So I think it will work as a decent tripod. It's not that heavy or it's not that strong, but it will work. Let's fix a mobile in the tripod. This is how we can use it as a tripod. You can see we have fixed a mobile and it's standing quite well. You can move the head. I think it's good. It's working fine as a tripod. This is how it can be used as a tripod. It's looking good. So everything is good with the product, but there's one problem, that whenever we will use it as a selfie stick and we will move the head up, it won't stay there. Like the mobile holder is very loose and it doesn't stand up firmly, so it always goes down with a slight jerk or slight pressure. You can see over here there should be a knob in the mobile holder to make it hard. It easily goes down. You can see it goes down like this, like wherever we will move it goes down, so it doesn't stand firmly over here. So now let's open the mobile, and so other than the mobile head everything is fine. The design is compact and it's light, but I don't think this product is efficient because the mobile head is very loose. So you can buy the MI or Realme selfie stick. So that's it about the review. Thanks for watching the video. You can subscribe, share and like.